There's lots of to talk about a big amount or a large number. There are lots of apples in the sack. There are many apples. Some. We use some to talk about a small or an unknown amount. I have some apples. You don't say the exact number, but you have a few. Not any. We use not any to say there is nothing or zero. There are not any apples in the basket. There are no apples at all. That means 0 apples. There are lots of onions in the sack. There are some bananas. The plate does not have any watermelons on it. There are oranges in the bag. I want to make a salad, but there are tomatoes in the fridge. We have bananas at home. There are strawberries at the market today. The seller says they are finished. I like apples. I always buy apples from the store.